Good morning, everyone. It's Friday morning, December 19th, and we're going to do some trading on a different product this time. This is silver. This is part of a Ninja Trader free competition that's been going on all week. And yeah, so account value started at 25,000. I'm up, what, 1,200, 1,100? Just nice. Definitely not going to win the entire competition. But yeah, so we'll trade this today. We'll see how things play out. This is kind of the wedge pattern that we're currently watching right now. Looking for, well, I guess it could break out or break down. Over here, this shows the range of the nightly activity. So we're currently in a bullish movement. So I've got to be a little more bullish bias than bearish bias. So I'm thinking, if this price comes down to this white line, might be a good place to go in for a long position. But we'll see. We'll see as time plays out. Market opens, or at least the New York Stock Exchange opens in about 3 minutes. And so we'll just hang out and see what goes on. Hope everyone's having a good week. I'm also watching MNQ on another monitor. This guy right here. So if it comes into play, something spicy happens, I might swap over to MNQ, but I'll keep an eye on it. Overall markets are up just a little bit. I'm going to switch to MNQ because it just looks juicier, if you will, a lot more action going on. I'll keep an eye on this guy too, but watch this. Again, this is the overnight range, the values. All right. Okay, got just about a minute before the market opens. You know what I mean when I say that. The market's already open. Here we go. 10 seconds. Let's see what happens. Probably let the first couple minutes play out. All right. Powerful move up. A lot of buyers. Previous level of resistance. Would be surprising to see this come back down. Very powerful move up. So it's also going up. This is silver. Okay. This line here represents the overnight high. Might be a good place to get a long position. This could come back to retest it and then take off again. We'll see. This is the balloon floating away. Wow, look at that move. And this could also retest right here. Go. Okay. See what happens here. All right, that was a nice little trade. Okay, 180 bucks. I like that. Let's go back over to our MNQ and see what's going on here. Still a very bullish pattern right now. To short this, you're going against the trend. I'm not saying you can't do it, but really be careful. Okay, pull back. Checking on silver again. Back to MNQ. Points of resistance around here. Really. All right, well, that's where you just have to sit on your hands and wait. Wait for a good setup to come into play. There is some news coming out. Let's see what time. 8 o'clock. Personal income and outlays, existing home sales, and consumer sentiment. So maybe that's what we'll see. Of course, that's what, 20 minutes away? 25 minutes away? right? Last time the price came down here, got some resistance on here. Could be a good place to go for a long entry. Right? Got our stop put in, a couple profit targets. And we'll see what happens here. Go. I don't know. I didn't like that. I didn't like that action right at that line. Jumping around funny, like a clown. Goes. I'm not sure if that would have taken me out or not. Could have. Makes sense for a short entry. Stop above these highs. Right? It's good. In the green. We'll let this one work, which is the hardest part of trading. Okay. 32 bucks. Not quite golfing money yet, but we're getting there. Not sure I want to take that short trade again, but boy, that line is resistance, resistance, resistance. Let's hop over to silver, see what she's doing. She's going straight up. Back over to MNQ. Waiting patiently. This is what's called the chop zone right here. Just back and forth, back and forth. Which you can make money in this area. But you've also got to be disciplined to honor your stop loss. Silver just want to keeps climbing. Generally don't advise buying the top like that. It's the fake break. See if we can get some. Oops. Come on, silver, get up there. Yeah, I gotta get out. That was bad. That's right. Let's try this again. I still think it wants to push up. Wow. So that's great. MNQ is going one direction and silver, wrong way. Let's hope that the price does not come down there. That's going to be painful. Ooh, this is painful. Silver is eating my lunch today. A good time. Silver though. Mine actually, so rough. We're out. Wow. This thing just does not want to play anymore. So she wants to go down, I'll take her down. There you go. Nice little move right there. Okay. Seems to be these two maybe. I don't normally trade silver, not that I'm going to make that as an excuse, but perhaps there's an inverse correlation. As this one goes up, this one comes down. Hit that 50 SMA, the money. Just pure bloodshed right there. Okay, I think it's going to come down to this guy here. Very beneficial. Let's see what happens. Let's let this guy run. Again, this is my trading competition. Should try to trade it a little more seriously, but I'm not a big fan of how silver moves. Bad trade. I shouldn't have done that. That's shorting the bottom after it already had made this huge move down. I gotta get out of this stupid thing. Get out. This is not going well for today. Back to MNQ. Yeah. See if we can recoup some of these losses. Got a long way to go, but about 10 minutes before that those economic news comes out. Well, this silver thing has just eaten my lunch today. Hey, what? I'm gonna be right back. Need some more coffee. All right, I'm back. Thanks for waiting. Looks like nothing has happened with my silver trade. Still just sitting there. Go. What's going on with M and Q? Still just hovering right there. There's the potential breakout point. Stop loss up here for the silver trade. Boy, I am not a good silver trader, apparently. Me and this chart do not see eye to eye. They bounce off this overnight high. Should come back down. Take a nice rejection down to here. Let's go back to M and Q. Okay. Art, you're killing me. Awesome play. Okay. Yeah. One of my stop losses got hit. That news is going to come out in about 4 minutes. Go. Push. Come on. Take it out. Come on. Hit it. Breakthrough. Breakthrough. Come on. There you go. So here's a fun place to be as a trader because you're now in the green zone. It's not if I'm going to be profitable, it's how much am I going to make? There we go. Done. How's this guy doing? Oh, it's like it took out my stop loss. Man, this is a rough one. You know what? I think I'm done here with this guy. Boom. It's a breakout. But this news is coming out in just a minute and a half, so we're gonna sit on our hands right now. Okay, news is gonna come out in less than a minute. How will it react? Again, this news is consumer sentiment. You gotta think that's gonna be bearish. Take a little bit of a gamble here with my finger on the buy button. Okay, here comes the craziness. Okay. So far, it's all bullish. It's pretty uneventful. Well, do have some golf money here, which is nice. Looks like the action is kind of slowing down a little bit based on the volume. There was probably the news spike. So I might be done for the day. To take a break. I'll be right back. I'm back, and I thank you all for your patience again. I'm going to shut it down. I've got Christmas gifts to wrap today, just a bunch of stuff to do. I'm on vacation for work, so that's nice. Um, Trading was decent here. You saw the absolute account destroyer for the silver trade. I'll probably never trade silver again, but it was a fun challenge. I appreciate Ninja Trader for doing that, and it was a good learning experience. Um, See, I'm actually back in it. Let me drag this down here real quick. I'm back in a trade. This thing, and me and my chart vision, I'm not seeing it here with silver, so this will be a loss. I'm thankful that it was just a demo account. So enough of that. Oop. And we'll go back into MNQ, and looking like I might get a little pullback here, but you gotta be very aware that this is a major uptrend. So if you're gonna play the short, better be taking profits quickly. One of the things I like about this platform is that you can set up uh, predetermined targets. So this is a $10 contract or $10 profit target. So this would be $30, right? 3 contracts, $10 each, and it would show you like where it would need to go. So that's not very much. In fact, that probably would have got it right there. So one thing that's kind of fun to do is, again, but you must be disciplined when you do this, is if you're just looking for a quick $50 and you see a setup that might work, show you real quick. There's the entry, but again, you got to be quick on the finger to get out if it doesn't go your direction. Right here's the overall loss. You can kind of see it, and I'm out. I didn't like that at all. Try this one. And had I just waited a little bit, I would have got it. Okay. Here again. And bleeding. Bleeding a lot. Ooh, really bleeding? Oh, gosh. Come on. Watch up there. Buyers, where you at? Talking about. It was scary. As soon as this stops out, we're done. And really, you still want to play? Say what? Okay, all done. So that's it. I am out. I'll have a great weekend. Merry Christmas, early Merry Christmas, and we'll catch you all